Hi, the biggest question we have here at the Institute is, how can a palm leaf reading help me? Very simply put, with three things. One, help you find your path. In case you're confused about your life and do not know which next step to take, then a palm leaf reading can help you make a decision. Two, get back on your path. At some point you were already on the right path, but you took a wrong turn, and by getting a reading, the reading can help you get back again on track. And last but not least, stay on your path. If you are already on the right path, then a reading can confirm that you are on the right path. That simple. Now, for more info or how to get the process started, please check out our other videos and our website at www.indianpalmleafreading.com. Hope to see you soon. Namaste.